Hi, my name is Dominique. I'm a registered nurse and certified Tantra coach. I have been a nurse for many years because I really love helping people and helping them on their journey of health and experiencing better lives. But when I discovered Tantra after 25 years of nursing, I realized that it was such a powerful tool. And I learned that pleasure is medicine. So after Tantra transformed my life, I realized, oh my gosh, I have got to learn this and teach this so that I can help more people.
Hey, I'm Sophia. I've been working with Dominique for a few months now. I began working with Dominique with the intention of stepping into my feminine energy. Dominique has shown me a wide range of self-love practices, a variety of self-love practices, as well as teaching me about chakras and unblocking my chakras through meditation and breathing and Tantra, so that I could step into my feminine energy. And for that, I am truly grateful.
I want you to be feeling more vibrant, be more in touch with your intuition. I want you to have stronger, more present feminine energy. I don't want you to be hiding and stuffing down your desires or feeling any kind of shame over anything that you're wanting to experience in life. I want you to know that I'm here for you. And there's a non-judgmental space where you can talk to me and we can dive in deep and see what it is that your heart truly desires. We can see what blocks you're having to experiencing connection and pleasure and just that satisfaction within your soul.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I would just want to tell you how amazing Dominique is. I went to her a few months ago, and she helped me understand how to open my heart chakra through meditation and using Tantra. And I've been practicing for almost 2 months now, and it's just been amazing. When I have a breakthrough, I'm so excited to call her and let her know, and then she guides me to the next step. I love you, Dominique. Thank you.
I have created a special coaching package. I'm looking for 13 women that are ready to break through any barriers that they have to pleasure, that are ready to experience life that they're very passionate about, and that they want to drop any shame or any blocks that they have to experiencing maximum levels of pleasure inside their bodies. They want them to tap into their intuition. They want to feel into their divine feminine energy and to stop playing small and stop shutting down their sexual energy based on society or shame or whatever reason that they're dimming their light. Because your sexual energy is your most creative energy. We were born from sexual energy. So there is like no shame in that. So my invitation is for you to explore all that there is within you, for you to tap into the magic of who you are. I want you to tap into the magic that you've been hiding. I want you to shine your light so bright. I want you to be ready to live a life that makes you feel fulfilled.
Hi, my name is Anita Kopach. Dominique has actually helped me in many ways. Yes, Tantra, as you may know her on Instagram. She is helped by debunking so many spiritual taboos and has helped me with working through some shame and trauma, bringing myself fully into the present moment. She is such a gift, and I recommend her to anyone.
If you're watching this video and any of this resonates for you, or you just feel like this is a sign, or you're interested in any way at all, or you have questions, Or if you're just a definite yes, just please type yes below in the comments, and I will send you a message so that we can book a call and we can discover together if this is the right fit for you. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you and hearing from you.